Reading for meaning is a very important reading skill. We're going to look at a few strategies which will help you to read for meaning. The first strategy is to use the context. If we have a look at this example of a passage, maintaining a level of daily physical activity may help mental functioning, says Karl Koppmann, a neuroscientist at the University of California. He found that rats that exercise on a treadmill have raised levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor coursing through their brains. Koppmann believes this hormone, which keeps neurons functioning, may prevent the brains of active humans from deteriorating. Firstly, don't panic when you see difficult words or phrases such as brain-derived neurotrophic factor, neurons and deteriorating. The overall meaning of this paragraph can be easily understood without knowing exactly what these words mean. The point is that understanding difficult words is often not essential to understanding the overall meaning of a passage, and it can often be achieved via the information surrounding the word or phrase. So what is the overall meaning? Well, firstly, it's given in the topic sentence, in simple terms, as long as you understand that functioning means working. So we can already see from the first sentence that the main idea of the paragraph is that exercise helps the brain. If you don't know what a treadmill is, you can see from the same sentence that it is something that rats exercise on. You can also know from the paragraph topic that how the exercise is done is probably less important than the effect of the exercise, so understanding this word is not essential. However, it's also easy to guess what kind of equipment rats exercise on. When considering brain-derived neurotrophic factor, you can see from within the same sentence that it's something that goes through rats' brains in raised levels when they exercise. So you can guess it's some kind of chemical in their brain. If you read further to the next sentence, you can see from the reference phrase, this hormone, that it is in fact a hormone and that it keeps neurons working. From the context, neurons are obviously something in the brain. So if you don't know what deteriorating means, you can logically conclude that it is something bad, because deterioration is prevented in the brains of active humans, and being active is something you know is good for the brain based on the main idea and example which have already been given in the paragraph. So to sum up, it is important that you don't panic when you see difficult words. In fact, knowing the meaning of difficult words is often not essential to understanding the overall meaning, and can often be achieved via the information surrounding the word or the phrase.